Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mount this gimbal I just got from eBay onto my Blade 350QX. That's the buzzing of the gimbal you're hearing. It does have a little bit of a high-pitched noise. First off, we actually need to raise up the helicopter. With the gimbal on the bottom, it hangs down a little bit lower, so I added some 3/4 insulation tubes. I just went ahead and cut them to size on both sides, and I did want them to be solid inside, so I got some spray foam and just filled that up and let them dry. Now we do need to mount the actual plate onto the 350QX, and I found this area to be quite a good area because it was there was nothing on the other side, so I just went ahead and laid the plate on there, made some marks with a pen, and then I went ahead and made the 2 drill holes. I went ahead and used 6/32 by 1/2 inch nuts and screws, and I used some Loctite washers to put just to make sure the vibration wouldn't loosen up at any. And I found I could actually get my finger in there far enough with the bolt balanced on my finger, and I was actually able to get both nuts on the screws, so I didn't even have to actually take the helicopter apart, which was awesome. I found that 2 screws held the plate plenty tight. I didn't feel any need to put the 3rd one on there, so it was a nice steady grip and it was nice and flat, so it worked out perfect. If you take a look inside, you can see where those screws and bolts were threaded in, so nice open area there for you. I went ahead and removed the original mounting plate for the GoPro that came with the 350QX. Just a size comparison here, it's quite a bit smaller. And then I went ahead and installed the blue bushings, and those things are always fun to get in. But next I went ahead and cut some slits into the new landing gear. I made it so you can just slip the landing gear in. And I used some twist ties to go ahead and secure that so we wouldn't be losing any foam. Next I went ahead and connected the gimbal. You want to make sure that it is pointing the right direction. I have mine pointing towards the front, so that way the cord I can just drape over the back and connect it to the balancing part of the battery. I'm not going to drill any holes for the cord. I'll just go ahead and fly it with the back battery piece off. Now I did come to realize that it wasn't quite tall enough, so I had to actually add some more foam, and I just went ahead and zip tied that on both sides, and that seemed to lift it up just enough. Doesn't look the best, but it serves the purpose and does the job. Next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and connect the lead to the balancing end of the battery. And now this should be just plug and play. It should balance itself on its own. It seems to work pretty good. Once again, you can kind of hear that high squealing noise. I'm not sure why they use that low frequency on that, but it's pretty loud. You kind of hear the motor grind every now and then, or saying it like can't turn a certain degree or something. But overall, it works pretty good. I'll have some flights coming up. Probably take it out tomorrow. It's supposed to be a sunny day, and get some flights and see what kind of aerial video we can get with this gimbal. So that's that. Thanks for watching.